Understanding bundle pricing, a smart shopping strategy. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore an interesting concept in the world of shopping and marketing: bundle pricing. This is a strategy you might encounter in stores or online, and understanding it can be really beneficial. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of bundle pricing together. Bundle pricing is a marketing strategy where multiple products or services are sold together for a single, combined price. This price is usually lower than if you were to buy each item separately. Think of it as a package deal. For example, a fast food restaurant might offer a meal that includes a burger, fries, and a drink for a lower price than if you bought each item on its own. Businesses use bundle pricing for several reasons. The main goal is to increase sales. By offering a bundle, businesses can encourage customers to buy more items. It's also a way to introduce new products. If a new item is bundled with popular items, customers might be more willing to try it. Lastly, bundle pricing can help clear out inventory, especially for items that are not selling well on their own. For consumers, bundle pricing offers savings. When items are bundled, the overall cost is often lower than buying items separately. It's also convenient. Instead of making multiple decisions and transactions, you can get what you need in a single purchase. Additionally, bundles can introduce you to products you might not have considered before. While bundle pricing can be advantageous, it's important to be a smart shopper. Ask yourself if you really need all the items in the bundle. Sometimes, the savings might not be significant, or the bundle might include items you don't want. Always compare the bundle price to the individual item prices to ensure you're getting a good deal. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of bundle pricing and how it can impact your shopping experience. Whether you're buying groceries, electronics, or fast food, understanding bundle pricing can help you make better purchasing decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!